Welcome to the Pathfoot building. This is home of many academic subjects from arts and humanities, law and sport. The Blue Boy, also known as the Pursuit of Knowledge, is one of the original art pieces we have here outside the Pathfoot building. It is a rite of passage to get your picture taken with him. It is fitting that this is the home to our film and media students. Our 1960s fully listed building was the inspiration for the hit series Outlander to be filmed right here. We have a variety of classrooms and lecture theatres here, including our aquaculture tropical aquarium lab. The Pathfoot building is home of the university's largest art collections, such as this piece by Scottish artist J.D. Ferguson, to exhibitions across the campus, such as my favourite, the Tea Cake exhibition. It is also part of the bigger art network across Scotland, offering pieces on loan to national galleries. But don't worry, the Blue Boy isn't going anywhere, although his crystal has been known to disappear.